Today in Baton Rouge, the Secretary of the State Health Department, Dr. Rebekah Gee, gave an update on Louisiana's Medicaid expansion program. She discussed how the department made the transition to the expansion, but had specific numbers for enrollments and care. Local 33's Tim Sproles tells us more.
Since Medicaid was expanded on July 1st, the Department of Health has had to think outside the box to ensure that eligible people receive much-needed health care. According to the Secretary of the Department of Health, Dr. Rebekah Gee, one of the biggest challenges was funding. The original plan was to open resource centers around the state where people could come in and register for Medicaid. But with our state's budget shortfall, lawmakers could not provide funding for additional staff and resources to support the expansion. So the department came up with a plan to bring registration to the people who need it.
We decided to do outstationing, so we have individuals who are in hospitals where someone would go to an emergency room. In those places, people are leaving with Medicaid, which is very exciting.
And it's not just at hospitals.
So it's one-stop shopping. You go get your food stamps, you can sign up for Medicaid at the same time. We're working on the vice versa of that. You can sign up for Medicaid, you can also sign up for food stamps. And that is efficient from a state employee standpoint, but it's also very customer friendly.
So far, more than 300,000 new patients have enrolled in Medicaid and started receiving life-saving care that they didn't have access to before. So far, Dr. Gee has liked what she has seen, but she knows that there's a long road ahead.
305,000 people today, and of course, doing that without an additional state worker or any additional funds from the legislature. So we have a lot more challenges to overcome, but I'm confident, given how well we've done with expansion, that we can take on more challenges and do just as well.
In Baton Rouge, Tim Sproles, Local 33 News.
Certainly a lot of information out there, and if you would like to get more about Medicaid in Louisiana, we put all of that information that you need on our website, which is brproud.com.